Money Academy.
You can use these websites and advertise affiliate links for free and get targeted traffic so that you can start making money with affiliate marketing. I will show you examples on how to promote affiliate links, give you bonus tips on what promotion method works best so that you can start using the right strategy and get sales. The first method to advertise affiliate links for free is a website called Free Ad Forum. Free Ad Forum is a great marketing website for sellers and a right place for consumers to find various products and services. I have the similar web add-on which shows the amount of visitors this site gets and the countries you get traffic from. How would you like a fraction of this traffic to your affiliate offer? You can post an ad absolutely free. The most important fact about this free traffic source is that you can directly link your affiliate offer. They also allow you to keep the ad running for 90 days. And you can add images or YouTube videos which help increase the conversion rate. Is this the first time you heard about this website? Can you please give this video a like? Now this is important. If you just post an ad randomly, you will not get any traffic. So do this before you advertise links on this website. Go to trends.google.com and type in the related keyword for the affiliate offer you are trying to promote. For example, this is a product that I promoted. This was before the US election. So I typed this related keyword to figure out which states in US would be interested in a product like this. Then, when creating the ad, I use those states to target the affiliate product. Likewise, there are a few strategies you need to follow to get free traffic to your affiliate offer. If you want me to make a detailed video on how I post this ad and made this money from that free campaign, comment below. Promote affiliate links free. The second website to advertise affiliate links for free is Medium. Medium is an online publication platform. It has a built-in audience already, so you can count on reaching a decent amount of readers. You can create a free account with Medium and start promoting your affiliate offer. Here is an example where this person is promoting an affiliate offer from ClickBank through a comprehensive review. Here is another example. Likewise, you can write a review article to promote your affiliate offer. You can also embed YouTube videos in your Medium article. Often people ask, is affiliate marketing allowed on Medium? As you can see, Medium does allow you to add affiliate links in your post, but you have to add an affiliate disclosure. Make sure to read the rules in detail and follow them, otherwise your account will be suspended. The third website to promote affiliate links is Quora. Before you share affiliate links on Quora, you need to follow the next steps. You must do this to avoid being banned on Quora. Never link directly to your affiliate link. Instead, create a landing page and link to that page. In last week's video, I showed how to create a free landing page. Follow the steps to create your own landing page for free. The link is in the description below. Next, find questions related to the affiliate product you are promoting. Then you need to write a unique answer about 700 words and also add an image or two along with a link to the landing page. The fourth website to promote affiliate link is Facebook groups. Join related groups but don't spam. Don't add your affiliate link directly. Instead, do this. Find PLR ebooks related to your product. You can use a site like this to download several free ebooks. I will leave the link in the description to this site. Then use a free PDF editor and add your affiliate link to the ebook. Then post the link to the ebook and give some context around the ebook. So people will download the free ebook and then click on the affiliate link. I will create a detailed videos on this method soon, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on that video. The fifth website to advertise affiliate links is YouTube. You can use YouTube videos to promote affiliate products even if you don't have a lot of subscribers. But there is a specific strategy you need to use if you have a small channel. I created a detailed video on this before, so watch that video next.